Have you ever wondered why Mars, our planetary neighbor, remains a mystery despite our advanced technology and scientific knowledge? It's a question that has puzzled scientists and astronomers for centuries. Our fascination with the red planet started long ago. Its fiery red glow in the night sky has sparked curiosity and wonder, which led to the first flybys and early missions. The journey to Mars is not a simple one. It's a grueling 6-month voyage through the cold, unforgiving void of space. And once there, the challenges only compound. From its thin atmosphere to its harsh, barren landscapes, Mars is a world that demands respect and preparation. Over time, we've sent rovers, landers, and orbiters, each mission peeling back a new layer of the Martian mystery. But despite these efforts, Mars remains a world of enigma and intrigue. The journey to understand Mars and its potential for life has been a long and challenging one. Our fascination with Mars began decades ago, with the first missions only scratching the surface of this complex planet. The early days of Mars exploration were defined by the audacity of human curiosity, coupled with remarkable feats of engineering. In the mid-19th century, astronomers could only observe Mars through telescopes, captivated by the planet's Earth-like features, such as its polar ice caps. But it wasn't until the mid-20th century that we made our first real steps toward Mars, with the advent of space exploration. The first missions to Mars, undertaken by both the United States and the Soviet Union, were a series of flybys and orbiters. These missions were ambitious, designed to capture images and data from the Martian surface, but they were also fraught with challenges. The technological limitations were immense. Early spacecraft had to be small and lightweight, yet capable of surviving the harsh conditions of space. They had to be able to navigate autonomously through the vast expanse, with no opportunity for real-time corrections from Earth due to the time it takes for signals to travel the immense distance. Moreover, there was a lack of information about Mars itself. These early missions were venturing into the unknown, with little understanding of the Martian atmosphere, its surface conditions, or its potential hazards. Scientists and engineers had to make educated guesses, and many of these early attempts failed. Yet despite these challenges, the early missions to Mars were not in vain. They provided our first close-up images of the Martian surface, revealing a world of towering volcanoes, deep canyons, and ancient riverbeds. They detected the thin, carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere, and hinted at the possibility of liquid water in the planet's past. These early missions laid the groundwork for future exploration. They fueled our fascination with the red planet, and sparked a relentless pursuit of knowledge that continues to this day. But as we'll see, the journey to Mars was just beginning. As technology evolved, so did our capability to explore Mars in more depth. The dawn of the 21st century brought about a new epoch in our quest to understand this alien world. The modern era of Mars exploration is characterized by an impressive array of rovers and landers, each more ambitious than the last. Take the Mars exploration rovers, for example. Launched in 2003, Spirit and Opportunity were designed to search for and characterize a wide range of rocks and soils that hold clues to past water activity on Mars. They were only expected to last 90 Martian days, yet Opportunity kept exploring for an astonishing 14 years, a testament to the robustness of modern technology. Then came the Mars Science Laboratory mission with its rover, Curiosity. Launched in 2011, Curiosity took Mars exploration to new heights, literally and figuratively. It was the first to use the sky crane landing method, a feat of engineering that allowed it to land safely in the rugged terrain of Gale Crater. However, landing on Mars is a tremendous challenge, often referred to as the 7 minutes of terror. This is the time it takes for a spacecraft to enter the Martian atmosphere and land. During this period, it must survive intense heat, deploy parachutes at supersonic speeds, and execute a precise landing sequence. All of this must be done autonomously due to the time delay in communication between Earth and Mars. Surviving on Mars also poses unique challenges. The Martian environment is harsh, with extreme temperatures, low pressure, and a thin atmosphere lacking oxygen. Despite these challenges, our rovers have proven resilient, equipped with advanced technology to navigate and conduct research. Today, Mars rovers continue to roam the Martian surface, sending back valuable data and paving the way for future human exploration. As we look towards the future, we are reminded of the ingenuity and resilience that have characterized our journey so far. The exploration of Mars is not just about reaching a distant world, but also about pushing the boundaries of what we as a species can achieve. Despite the challenges, our fascination with Mars continues to drive us towards more ambitious goals. The future of Mars exploration is brimming with possibilities, and is the next big leap for humankind in space exploration. The prospect of sending humans to Mars has been a topic of intense discussion and planning among space agencies and private companies around the world. The idea is not only to land humans on the Martian surface but also to establish a sustainable human presence there. Imagine waking up to a Martian sunrise or going for a walk along the Valles Marineris, the grandest canyon of the solar system. However, as tantalizing as these prospects may sound, they are not without significant challenges. One of the biggest obstacles is the long journey to Mars, which could take between 6 to 9 months with current technology. This means that astronauts would need to spend a prolonged period in a confined space, which brings us to the next challenge: life support systems. Creating a life-supporting environment on Mars or inside a spaceship is a daunting task. It is not just about providing air to breathe or food to eat. It is about creating an entire ecosystem that can sustain human life for an extended period. This includes dealing with waste, maintaining temperatures, and managing radiation levels, among other things. Then there's the psychological aspect to consider. The isolation and the extreme environment can have significant effects on the mental health of the astronauts. Rigorous psychological training is as crucial as physical conditioning for the success of such missions. Despite these challenges, the spirit of human exploration is unyielding. The advancements in technology, the growing interest of private space companies, and the collective will of humanity are pushing us closer to our Martian dream. The dream of setting foot on Mars is closer than ever, but there are still many hurdles to overcome. But as we've learned from our past explorations, no challenge is too great when the spirit of discovery and the thirst for knowledge are guiding us. Mars exploration is a testament to human curiosity and our desire to understand our place in the universe. It's a narrative penned by the collective efforts of scientists, engineers, and space enthusiasts across the globe. Woven into this narrative are tales of triumphs, trials, and the unyielding spirit of exploration. The early days of Mars exploration were marked by a series of ambitious attempts and humbling failures. We learned from each setback, each misstep, and each success. We discovered that Mars, our planetary neighbor, is a world of extreme environments, from its thin carbon dioxide-filled atmosphere to its frigid desert-like terrain. Yet these challenges only fueled our determination to conquer the Red Planet. As we moved into the era of modern Mars missions, our understanding of this alien world expanded. We've sent rovers to roam the Martian surface, satellites to orbit the planet, and even planned manned missions. We've uncovered signs of ancient water, potential for life, and a plethora of geological wonders. Each discovery propels us closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? Looking to the future, we stand on the precipice of a new dawn in Mars exploration. The ideas that are shaping this future are as diverse as they are bold. Concepts like terraforming Mars to make it habitable or mining it for resources are no longer the stuff of science fiction, but plausible scenarios in our quest for interplanetary colonization. As we continue to refine our technology and expand our knowledge, every mission, every rover, and every satellite brings us a step closer to turning our Martian dreams into reality. But the journey does not end there. Mars is but a stepping stone in our cosmic journey. A journey that will take us to the farthest corners of the universe. As we continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge and technology, who knows what mysteries Mars will reveal to us next?